4 500 on a Hummer, no gas, 89 price on the ticket. Exercise, eat all my vegetables, custom decibel, bout hit business. Stun about 100's gonna come in no fast. Shut it, gon' bag it, lick it. Gift wrap, package, ship it. Make it from rack to riches. Dumb shit. Act like you don't know, rush it. On the front porch and the function. Checking my sneakers, no checks on my sneakers. Just Puma Gappy, you're the goodie girl. Pull up to the church in my hoodie then. I'm about to get money, but should he then? I ride around in the old pink Mercedes, a pussy whip like Millican. My braids looking like I could be Jim. They looking around like that could be them. Lot of options around and you could be them. If we talking about pockets, you know my fat. We talking your chains since they could be thin. On the nugget, not the dollar, let me in. Won't get more pussy than the lesbian. Hanging from the helicopters like me. Anything for a new check. Nowadays, these days, niggas do anything for a blue check. When tennis shoes had the check, or 3 stripes on the side, way before Puma cut the check. Yeah, 3 stripes, that's your life. Niggas running out of sweat, niggas running out of breath. Niggas running out of time, yeah, niggas running into debt. Word to everything I've in the internet. Niggas set the trend, now the trend is set. Then they run and do it and then forget who did it best.